Hey everybody, it's Donna the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a plan with me for the week of January 4th through the January the 10th. And if you're new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. If you're not new here and you're one of my continued followers and subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support. It is very much appreciated. All right, I went ahead and did some pre-pulling of stickers. I'm using stickers out of Sticker Books, Detailed Florals, and Happy Quotes. So today, let's go ahead and get started. I put down some washi, which I use this. It's a very intricate little pink-like design, almost like a damask, and then this rose gold stripe. I took the pleasure of taking some scrapbook paper that I already had, and I used my Happy Planner box punch and my hexagon punch and went ahead and punched out some of these boxes, which I'm going to overlay like right here. So I want to do like 3 little lists right here, so that can give me stuff to do. I'm going to like sort of curve one of these like so here, curve one like so there, and then I want to put one here going off the page, and there like that, or maybe up here. I might end up doing it up here in the corner, so it's not so busy in that one spot. Yeah, I think that looks a little more aesthetically pleasing. So let's get out the tape and start taping this down. And I also want to put down some florals, so I might want to do that first. So let's get the white out. I think I'm actually just going to put this right here. And then I'm going to tape down these boxes. I need to put this over my wax paper, so if I run off the page, I'm not getting it all over my background here. Okay. I just want to lay this down like so. Yeah, that's going to look really cute. So let's tape another one down. I'm really loving making my own little box stickers. It really is fun. And I think it gives me more control. It's like, you know, if I want to keep something more plain, I can keep it more plain. It doesn't have to have a bunch of words all over it. And I don't know. I just like, I like the thought of it. And that one will be right there. Perfect. All right, so we'll get these laid down right quick. Hope everybody had a nice holiday. I'm really looking forward to the new year. I think we all are looking forward to a better year in 2021, excuse me. So I'm sure you guys are. Sure we all are. I think we've all been through it, and I think we're all ready for this all to be over and move on with life and get to something new. So I'm hoping and praying that that does happen in 2021. And if it doesn't, we'll make it. We made it through 2020, so. And then I'm going to put this one like right here. I try to get close to the edges so it lays down nicely. Sometimes that's hard to do. Sometimes it's not. It's just, I think it's the quality of the tape roller, to tell you the truth about it. I think if you got one that's just all over the place, I think you're going to have a harder time with it. Okay, and I've got a little bit of glue right there. And a lot of times you can get that off of there. All right, so I have a sticker that I want to nest that says "Get Busy." And I thought that was super cute like that. And I want to put this great big sticker down, but I want to put it like right here. I just think it's really pretty. I want to put it like so. And I want to cut this off. Where's my scissors? All right. Now, yeah, I think that side looks sort of cute. And I'm going to nest this in as well. I'm going to put this no, of course I didn't. Of course I didn't. I think I am the queen of crooked stickers. But I was watching some other happy planners the other day. And I'm telling you, I can't even remember who it was that I was watching. But she was about ready to just lose it. Like, if I don't get this sticker straight in the next 2 seconds, I'm going to absolutely just come unglued. She was so aggravated. And it is aggravating, you know, especially when you're trying to, you know, get on here and get it done. And I want to put this down my spine right here. I love putting stuff vertically. I think it's really cute. I also want to put this at the bottom of my weekend, but I want to glue this down first. I watched a bunch of stuff on Netflix, which was super awesome. It was it Bridgerton? I just absolutely went crazy over that. I thought it was so good. And I love any kind of a period drama anyway. I just think they're so, I don't know, just different. I'm a sucker for anything British. Anything British. If it's British, I'm going to like it. It has to be pretty bad British TV for me not to like it. Just saying. So I watched that. I finished watching Riviera on Sundance. I watched the first season of Liar, and it was so good. But the second season, yeah, it's not free. So I don't feel like paying for a subscription. So I guess I'll just wait till it is free. Guys, I don't know what happened with this video. I lost the last 2 minutes of the video. It just literally did not record. So here's a final picture of the end product. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.